Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a makeup tutorial for warm skin tone. If you're new to this channel, my name is May and I create fashion and beauty content. Let's get into the makeup tutorial. So this is what the makeup looks like. Make sure to stay until the end to see how I achieve this look. Since I have a warm undertone, I tend to wear peachy and bronzy colors. I very rarely wear cool tones like silvers, blues, and greens. To start off, I already put my moisturizer and my primer. Next, I go in with the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. This is a really great natural looking foundation. I wear the shade MW2. This is a great drugstore option if you need something that's affordable and has medium coverage. It also contains SPF 20. Then I go in with a sponge and blend it all in. For concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in shade Light Beige. I like using 1 to 2 shades lighter for under the eye. To set my under eyes and the rest of my face, I went in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder in the shade Medium. This powder will keep all my cream products in place without making me look too matte. To add some warmth to the skin and some definition, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. This is a great bronzer since it's not too cool or too warm. It has just the right amount of warmth and it blends in so easily into the skin. I also like using this bronzer as a transition shade for the eyes. For blush, I went in with the Essence Satin Touch Blush in Satin Coral. This is a beautiful blush since it adds just the right amount of color to the cheeks. It has a slight sheen to it, so it makes your cheeks look very luminous. I usually only wear peachy blushes on my skin since it looks the most flattering. For eyeshadow, I use the Milani Most Loved Mattes. This is a great base for any skin tone. I started off with the shade My Daily Latte in the crease. Then I go back into the butter bronzer and add a little more definition to the crease. I like to enhance my almond-shaped eyes, so I go in the shade Chocolate is Life to create a cat eye. This is a great base before I go in with my eyeliner. To add some color and shimmer to the eyes, I go in with the Kaja Beauty Bento Eyeshadow Trio. This one is in the shade Orange Blossom and I use the middle color. I use my finger to tap the eyeshadow on my eyelids. I focus the product on the center of my eyelids. Then I tightline my eyes with the NYX Retractable Liner in bronze. I also use this eyeliner to create a cat eye. Then I smudge everything out with an angled brush. This will create a soft, sultry eye look. Then I go back in with a fluffy brush to blend everything out. Next, I go in with the Rimmel London Primer, and then I go in with the Thrive Cosmetics Mascara. If you guys want to see a more in-depth of how I use these two products, make sure to check out this video here. I then go in with the Ardell 424 Fake Lashes. This just adds a little more volume to the eyes. For lips, I'm wearing my favorite lipstick. It's the Milani Bahama Beige. It's the perfect nude for my skin tone. I then apply the Milani Ludicrous Lip Gloss in the shade Whatever. This combination makes your lips look glossy and juicy. Before I add my highlighter, I went in with the L'Oreal Shake and Glow Dew Mist. To finish the look, I went in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in the shade Glow. This product gives you the perfect highlight. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you want to see more videos from me, maybe makeup tutorials, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Push the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys soon for a new video. Bye!